sessions. So when I if I called one of the therapists. They were very professional. So I found an that took my insurance, and he even booked the appointment.